Hey everyone, this is Khoi with the Hunter Chase team. We're here at the Barrett House with Melissa, the Director of Development. I just want to thank everyone that helped us with our fundraising for 2018. It's been such a success that we had to get a U-Haul because of all the donations we got.
Yes, we had clients, family, friends dropping off non-perishable items, televisions, crock pots, everything you can ask for that will help these women here at the Barrett House. That, like Khoi said, we had to rent a full U-Haul. Thank you everybody for helping out. This holiday season was about us giving back to the community, and the Barrett House Women's Shelter was a great place for us to do that. So thank you everybody, and including your checks and gift cards and that came in as well.
Great. Melissa, just real quick, can you tell us a little bit more again what the Barrett House is all about?
Sure. We are an emergency shelter for women and children. We house about 35 to 40 women and children a night here. When they get into our doors, they get into one of our housing programs, and we try to get them into some kind of stable housing. You mentioned crock pots and televisions. We also run 4 housing programs, and we have about 40 to 50 families in our housing programs, and they are the ones that will use the household goods and those types of products. So we have a mix. We have everything we need in the shelter, which is a lot of those supplies you mentioned, as well as household goods, which we're going to share with our housing clients that need them as well. So thank you very, very much for your generosity.
It is our pleasure. Thanks everyone.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.